Hey guys, just want to make a video and just show you about this new soundboarding I just received. This is awesome. It looks like bricks. They have different colors. And this is soundproofing for your studio or your room or wherever you're doing. And what's cool about this is I'll show you at the back, it's self-adhesive. So you pull this off and you stick it on the wall, stick it wherever you want to. These are 12 by 12 squares. They look like bricks, as you can see here. And they give you a dozen in the package. And these are really nice quality, high quality, as you can see here. Nice foam, and you can hear, hopefully you can hear inside. I'm shooting inside a photo box right now. And what I did is I actually included I just lined the walls with this foaming board to help take up some of the sound. And here are the rest of them here. So I put 4 here, 4 over here. This is a photo cube. And now when I do my videos in here, the audio is much, much better. So this is awesome. I absolutely love these. Nice quality. Like I said, they come in different colors. And they're very, very, very sticky. Super high quality. So far, I do love them. So I just want to show you what they look like, how it sounds. And this is actually the photo booth itself. Absolutely awesome. I love it. And you can actually lay these down and take some photos on here as well. And you can play with these any way you want to. And you can take photos on these. So this is also great for that too. So I like the way they look. And also, I like the way they perform. Definitely highly recommend these.